Let's go to my toolbox first. Here you see the livegood folder. See, this is the page to register as a livegood member for free. Let's click to open that page. Then we just need to fill in your name. Just fill in some content casually, then fill in your email address. After filling out, we just need to click to register. This process is free. After entering your backend, here we need to fill in very important information. If you don't understand English, we can choose here. Select a country's language. Find the language of the country you can understand. You will know what to fill in. You can clearly see the above is an introduction to the bonus plan. We can see that there is a Join Now button. In the upper right corner, you can see your personal information below. You can fill in or leave out the information, and you can modify it later. Fill in according to your own situation. This is the account you use to log into the livegood backend. So you have to remember your account and password information. This is also the account number and password you need to use when logging in. So I have to write it down. Let's enter the password here. Choose your membership fee here. This is a one-time joining fee of $40 US. Then he has a monthly fee of $9.95. If you choose this kind of thing, it will be more troublesome. It is very troublesome to pay the membership fee every month. So if you are really optimistic about this career, I suggest choosing the second option, because I also choose the second payment method. This can also save 20% of the cost. It also eliminates a lot of unnecessary troubles. If you forget to pay your monthly membership fee, your membership bonuses will be affected. Choose your country type. Write your own name and your address. This is the address used for product shipping. I'm just filling in some random information here. This information can also be modified later. Your zip code. When paying, we can choose credit card payment. Cryptocurrency payment options are also available. If you have a credit card, of course you need to fill in your credit card information. It includes 3 card types to choose from. The payment methods are all the same. I chose the cryptocurrency payment method. Then we choose to continue to the next step. You can see that it's shown the personal information you filled in. Then we continue. Tick here. Then select Next. Then we click this button to pay. Select your payment currency here. Scroll here to the bottom. I will choose the USDT Tron payment method at the bottom. Don't be wrong about the exact payment chain, because this payment method only costs $1 in handling fees. Then you just need to pay via your cryptocurrency. Then scan the QR code to pay. After payment is completed, you can see the amount paid. You have to copy its payment amount. Then choose to pay. This is very important. There is also this payment link. You also have to copy and paste the payment address. Then we choose Next Step. I can click to see your payment status. About 20 minutes after you pay, you can activate your account. You can click here to refresh. Let's see if he succeeds. After you activate, you can go to the homepage of the website, livegood.com homepage. Click to log in, then fill in the account you just registered and your password. Log into your website backend. Just like when I log into the website backend, you can see the same background as me. You just need to put this promotion link. Remember, this is a recruitment link. Just use social media or your website. All members who register through this link is your team member. To build your own team,